Alrighty, y'all, another win. Life is good. So easy money. We came out of this 1 hour, a 1 hour fair value gap over here. And then I just took it up to this bearish fair value gap, but there was two more, and it's still going up. But we got an IFVG on the 2 minute that gave us space from the EMAs, so I got in right there, took it to the here, just what I need to get my payout, my 210 on Top Step, 100 on my live, 400 on my 150, and then obviously the 1,000 on my 300Ks. So life is so good. Obviously, I could have held it, but I like the 200 ticks, like I said, because on days where it ranges or days when I'm wrong, like yesterday, I still get 200 ticks. You see what I'm saying? Obviously, if I'm right for the day, you want more, but sometimes I'm wrong, and with NQ, you can still usually get 200 ticks whether you're wrong. It could be like a long pullback into something. It could be, like say if we did pull back here and I got in short, sometimes it could short for 200 ticks and then keep going my way. Whatever, you know what I'm saying? Because I've been wrong. That's why I like 200 ticks. So we got our full $3,700 today. And yeah, a 2 minute trading day. Or like a two and a half. Two and a, not two and a half, like 3 minute trading day. And it was good. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. We're gonna keep it up, and I'm enjoying this winning streak I have. I hope it lasts long, and or when I have a loss, it's just a one-off. Obviously, the loss I had last time was I was right. I got impatient and closed the trade too early. Well, I lost one trade, then the second trade was a win, but then I just closed that too early. But it's looking good, and I hope y'all had a good trading day today. And like I said, we're on the track to getting this, this payout. It's coming this time. It's mine this time. For real this time. Trading better, adding the EMAs as you see the space lined up with the IFVG. Obviously, the IFVGs here and here, which for better entries if you wanted them, but that's a little scary versus we finally got our space and another final IFVG, which we had a 5 minute and 15 minute fair value gap there. That's why I waited. We had a five, so in case we were gonna just bounce down, but once we pushed, I was like, okay, like here, I was like, we could, bounce, but we wanted pushing. So a good day nonetheless, and we're gonna keep this winning streak going, and life is so good. Life is so good.